securities are on display. This is war with the enemy. Think that it was meant to be. Living in a time where disease is on every screen. I won't let them fester me. I know most are festering. Negativity is a plague for the mentally weak.
तिरंगा बन रहा है और उसकी तैयारी चल रही, देख सकते हैं मेरे भी हाथ जो हैं रंग चुके हैं और इसकी तैयारी चल रही है। यहाँ पर देख सकते हैं अभी एक कलर कर रहा जा रहा है, फिर बीच में दूसरा कलर होगा, तीसरा कलर होगा, इस प्रकार बनाया जाएगा। हमारा एक पूरा तिरंगा बन जाएगा जो कि एक देखने में आपको यूनिक दिखेगा।
Please tell me all the bad, never good. Fill my head full of every single doubt, yeah. Please say any negative thoughts. I pop off when I hear people say I cannot. I get off to the thought of proving everyone wrong. I won't stop to the top, so you better back off and get lost. I'ma stay loud, stay proud, never running out, never heading south. I'll be spreading out, call it word of mouth. Can't put me down, I'll be getting loud. You can have it douse, not what I'm about. Have your fucking clout, it be raining now. I keep making sound, go another round. Bitch, I'm legend bound, can't stop me now.
You don't wanna fuck with me. A slow burn like a disease. Just tell me that I can and I'll show you things that you couldn't believe. Just tell me that I can. Just tell me that I can. Just tell me that I can. Just tell me that I can.
Cause I just wanna hear it out your mouth, yeah. Give me fuel, it's a tool that I use to go ahead and run my fucking mouth, yeah. I take shots, I take loss, I make shots, I miss lots. That's how you get big box, you get yachts, you swing lots and pop off a big shot. I ain't done chasing, got big dreams, bigger things, impatient. Who's at the top think they need replacement? Who's at the top think I'm gonna erase them? Face it, I don't give up quick, I don't give up shit, I won't give up this. Cause I know that I want it, know that I'm on it, I'll make it, I promise.
You don't wanna fuck with me. A slow burn like a disease. Just tell me that I can and I'll show you things that you couldn't believe. Just tell me that I can. Just tell me that I can. Just tell me that I can. Just tell me that I can.
तिरंगा बनकर तैयार हो चुका है जो कि आपके सामने है।
My strife, my right to fight, to die on. And this is my game to play, to claim a brand new name, oh. And I ain't gonna lie to you, I'm a bit nervous that I might screw everything up that I've ever done. But what's the point of living if you ain't having fun? I guess I'll try this, try that, might miss, gotta find what I'm good at. I guess I look here, look there, over where am I scared, where am I at? I gotta make it in this life. Whatever makes me happy, know I'm doing things right. Sipping in the summer on a goose and Sprite, or find a nightclub for the end of the night, oh.
And we all got dreams, we all want things. But what you gonna do for it? How you gonna move for it? What you gonna be? And do you believe we can do anything? But what you gonna do for it? How you gonna move for it? What you gonna be?
तो गाइस देख सकते हैं हमारा तिरंगा यहाँ पर बनकर तैयार हो चुका है और इसकी लेंथ काफ़ी ज़्यादा लंबी, आप ऐसे देख सकते हैं इसका अंदाज़ा लगाकर। और ये देखते हैं इसकी लेंथ कितनी ज़्यादा बड़ी हुई है। और यहाँ पर बीच में हमने बनाया हुआ है अपना अशोक चक्र, देख सकते हैं बहुत ही शानदार दिख रहा है। और यहाँ पर सबसे पहले हमारा कलर जो है वो हमारा है केसरिया, फिर उसके बाद है सफ़ेद है और ये हरा है। तो इस प्रकार हमारा बनकर तैयार हो चुका है एक तिरंगा जो देखने में भी काफी अच्छा लग रहा है।
And I'm not even that paid. I need a change in my life, cause I don't feel alive and there's nothing that makes me happy. Hold my beer for a minute, I'm about to quit my job, cash in for a ticket. I'm going on a trip and I don't plan to visit. I'm gonna stay there till I feel like I'm winning, oh. And this is just the beginning. I need a big change, help me feel like living. I need a big swing, home runs I'm hitting. And I'll never look back, moving on till I get it all.
And we all got dreams, we all want things. But what you gonna do for it, how you gonna move for it, what you gonna...
आने वाले गणतंत्र दिवस का एंजॉय करेंगे और आप भी उस चीज को एंजॉय करिए क्योंकि ये महोत्सव हमारा सबसे अच्छा महोत्सव होता है और इतनी मेहनत लगी है यार। अगर आपको सनी की वीडियो अच्छी लगी हो तो यार वीडियो को लाइक कर देना और चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कीजिए, कमेंट कीजिए और घंटा को टुनटुना दीजिए। तब तक के लिए जय हिंद,
जय हिंद, जय भारत।